Welcome back to this video. In this tutorial, I will show you on how to increase your Android phone font size in Infinix. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to simply click on here. So next thing you need to do is simply scroll down and go to display and brightness. Click on that, it's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and go to font size. It's take you right here. Now by default, you can increase this with this particular slider. You can increase the font size as many as possible. So this is large one. So the more you move the slider, the more the font size of your phone is going to be increasing. So this depends on how best you want your font size to display on your phone. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to increase your Android phone font size in Infinix mode. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.